Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't chase ghosts. First, confirm the TV model and Tizen OS version in settings. This determines available updates and app compatibility. Once done, power cycle the set, unplug for 30 seconds, plug back in, and try the app. While that runs, check network health from Smart Hub network status. Note IP and DNS. These quick checks eliminate common causes and set you up to take targeted corrective action next. Now focus on repairs. Update both the TV system and the individual apps so you're running compatible versions. Navigate apps update and settings support software update. If a single app misbehaves, clear its cache or data where available, or delete, then reinstall the app to refresh credentials and storage. Make sure to sign back into services after reinstall. If several apps fail, reset the Smart Hub to rebuild the app registry. This is more invasive, but often resolves corrupt app metadata. Finish by validating. After each change, reboot the TV and test the apps to confirm progress. Don't skip iterative checks because they tell you what fixed things. If you see an error code, write it down. These codes speed diagnostics if you contact Samsung support. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but backup or note personalized settings first because this wipes accounts and configurations. If problems persist after reset, contacting Samsung with Model OS and error codes is your next step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.